What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews, and in this review we have the WORKPRO flashlight, a rechargeable flashlight, 4,000 lumens, 6 modes. Let's go ahead and get into it. The cool thing about this, it's magnetic. Hook it up onto your hood or somewhere, wherever you working. Maybe you working with industrial with metal. You can hook it up right there on the wall. Turn this, let's see what happens. Let's check out the battery. So wow, this is one big battery. Rechargeable. When you hold the top button down right here, you get the red dot, red laser dot. I remember back in the day, I used to have a dog and I used to do this and the dog used to chase it. Bottom button right here will be your light. Oh, this is nice. Not that bad. I will show, ooh, whoa. Okay, so that light right here is like a lantern. So let me take that. So you had the light right here, and then when you hit it again, the light actually comes right here on the bottom. Okay, I hit it once, hit it again, I hit it again, we have the red light, hit it again, strobe light, hit it again, it's off. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and that's 5. You do have dimming on here, so when you hit the button and you hold this same button that you turned it on, you hold it down, and then it does step dimming, so you can dim it to stop it wherever you want to stop it. Once it blinks like that, you're all the way at the minimum dim, and now we're going to hold it again and it will brighten back up again. And they do give you a USB Type-C. This is the charging cover, but guess what? It has an in and out right here, so you can put your port in to charge, and then out means that you can charge something else. So that's cool. You can actually use this as a power bank as well. Hold it down. 4,000 lumens, 200 meters of distance. Pretty nice. And nice and handy too. It's not heavy or anything. Nice handle to it. Another cool feature on this is that not only this is magnetic, but it has a screw port right here. Okay. Got our tripod. And of course it's magnetic, so okay, screws right on. Now we have y'all on the tripod, and I'm going to hit the on button. So right now it's beaming up, so it's up in the air. We are in the room, and it actually brightens up the room pretty good. So let's hit it again, and I think this is mainly for this type of feel right here. This is more like an outdoor feel, a lantern feel. Could use it as a lantern. Now we can see the whole backyard. Trying to see if we see any stray cats, because sometimes they be out here. See them on the Ring camera. It has a nice wide spread to it. All right, now we have that. Oh, I'm gonna hold the button down. Check out the dim. We are all low on the dim right now. All right, so we have no animal activities back here right now. I'm gonna do the lantern for y'all. You can hook this up on the tripod, and basically this will light up your whole deck. Red beam, laser light. Can't really see it unless it's hitting something. I see it on that's my shed right here. My other shed. Don't know if y'all can see it. There you go. You can see the red light. Okay, and then strobe light. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section and I'll get back to y'all as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.